So what you doing? Fixing AC?
No, that's not AC. It's just AC.
Okay. Are you mechanic?
No.
Are you engineer?
No, I'm a salty.
Okay. He have a toolbox.
Yeah.
He have a tool in his hand. Open the screw right over there. He pretending like he's an engineer and try to open this window air condition. So let's see what he's doing.
Me.
How much you charge, sir, for this job? How much money you charge for fix this AC?
But the job is over there.
No, how much you charge to fix this AC? How much money?
But the job is over there.
How much money you charge?
But the job.
$10, $20, $100, how much?
It's got $1,000.
$1,000? Okay.
$3,500.
$3,500?
No. $1,000.
$1,000?
$100. $200. $300. $400. $500. $600. $700. $800. $900. $1000.
Wow. Wow. Okay, you done?
No. Okay, look. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
But don't beat me. But Daddy not beat me then.
Don't put it there.
Look, only put it in my pocket.
You're putting it in your pocket?
Yeah, only put it in the pocket.
Okay.
That's my pocket.
You want the other one? Red one? You want the red screwdriver?
Yeah. No.
This one?
No, not this one. This is blue one.
Okay.
I put my pocket.
You put it in your pocket?
Yeah. I'll put it in your pocket.
Alright. Okay, bye-bye.
No bye-bye.
No bye-bye?
But I trust
Hmm? Okay.
There's the doorbell. But there's the doorbell.
You fixed the doorbell?
No. There are 2 doorbells.
Oh, I see.
There's 1 doorbell, 2 bell.
Which one?
There are 2.
Can you show me again?
There.
Can you show me again? Touch and show.
There. Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. And making sound the doorbell.
Making sound like a doorbell?
Yep. Ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Okay.
The doorbell not working.
Thank you to fixing AC. Can you get your screwdriver? Can you put in your box, toolbox, so you're not lost?
Yep.
Please?
But I went to store in the shoe store.
Okay.
But I want carrot juice. I want carrot juice.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Alright. See you later. Bye-bye.
No, sorry. I Later, Papa, I go in the store.
Okay, later you're going to store? Alright.
And don't go outside. In the queue. This is not the queue. This is ice cream.